Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. I wanted to do just a very quick update on a video that I did last year actually, which was how to position your TV and the best way to position it. There's a real simple sort of golden rule of thumb. Sit down in your chair, so you're in your chair, and rest your head, relax as though you're watching a movie, maybe slouch a bit because we always tend to sort of slightly move down a little bit when we're in our chairs, and then look to where you're going to have your TV and just relax, and then drop your head a little bit because when you're watching a movie you will drop your head. And for me the ratio, well, it's not a ratio but it's kind of an area. If you look to have the bottom of your TV around about where your chin is, or your tip of your nose, sort of round about there. So if it's in line with that, or around that area, so if you put your bottom of your TV around that area where you're slouching, which will usually be a little bit above to where your where tables and stands and so on tend to have it, so you may have to get a bracket or a stand that allows you to adjust it up. You will find that it's more of a natural view, because having it sort of around about there allows you to sort of look just a little bit down at it. That's what you want to be doing, just a little bit down. You don't want to be looking right down. A lot of people's TVs tend to be sort of facing downward, you know, where we're looking right down or way up. You kind of want to have the TV so you're sort of slouchy and relaxed, and your shoulders and everything is relaxed. Your head tends to sort of move forward a little bit when we're watching TV, and our eyes drop a little as well because we're relaxed, we're tired. You know, we're not upright and doing, you know, like I'm doing this video. We're not sitting like this, for heaven's sake. So just look for that. Just sit in your chair, your favorite chair. Think about where your TV is going to go. Sit down, relax, sit there for about 10 minutes, and then sort of project an imaginary line from maybe the bottom of your chin or the tip of your nose, and that's pretty much where the bottom of your TV would likely be. And then the rest your eyes would then naturally fall into round about the center of the TV. You can play with that, of course, and I'd recommend that because we're all different shapes and sizes and we all have different ideas of where the TV should be. But personally, that's how, if I'm at a friend's house and they say, where should I put the TV, Stu? And I'll say, well, sit down and we'll figure it out. And that's usually the quickest and easiest way. So I hope that helps. It's very quick. It's very simple. Just remember the bottom of your TV should be around about either where your nose or your chin is, or round about this area. And if you sort of project that down, that will give you where your TV should be. No matter what the distance as well. It doesn't matter sort of where the distance is. You'll be able to, or the distance away or the size of your TV is, it doesn't matter because that will kind of figure it out from there. Okay, I hope that helps. It's short, it's quick, it's easy. It'll take you about 30 seconds to sort out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the bell, which is somewhere around here. And I'll see you very soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.